Yes, check it out. Beautiful backyards like this one. Shout out to Danny Wayne, by the way, for doing such an amazing job here. What is the best way to top it off with security gates and fence? Let me show you guys. Follow here. So here we have amazing design, security fence, full fence, following all the code, full code, 5 feet high, locks up high, self-closing. As you can see, gates are self-closing. Super safe and secure for the kids. Not only your kids, but actually the neighbor's kids. That's why you do this. So the gates automatically close. So here, same exact way as we did on the other side. So both sides of the house match. We have 2-inch aluminum slats with a 1/2 inch gap. That is actually how it looks. It gives you plenty amount of privacy, not full privacy, because you still want to be able to peek outside and see what's happening on the outside. But let me demonstrate you what 1/2 inch gets you. Stay right there. Let me close the gate real quick. So as you can see, you can maybe see the silhouette of a person and actually peek outside what's happening, but it still gives you some privacy and security for the pool. Everything, like I said, is following the pool code. We have heavy-duty aluminum posts, which is maintenance-free. Heavy-duty post for the gate, heavy-duty frame for the gate. That's how we do the job with Globus. Everything is heavy-duty, everything is aluminum, just how you guys like it.